Thank you for the response.
Mr.
Anything
Chair,
more to say?
just to quick interjection. The reason why I presented that, unang-una ipinakita ko na habang tayo'y nasa pandemya, marami naman palang pera, ba't pa tayo nangutang? At ba't hanggang ngayon, sinisweldohan pa natin ng back wages yung ating healthcare workers? And Mr. Chair, what I was pointing at is the fact na kaya sila gumawa ng napakaraming kumpanya because by the start of 2015, nagka-idea, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, until 2022, dun bumaha. And the figures that I was showing was the revenue from construction of government projects, national government projects, excluding local. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat, Mr. Diskaya. Maraming salamat sa lahat.
Sa isang pagdinig sa House of Representatives, sinabi ni Representative Janet Garin na lumobo umano ang utang ng Pilipinas sa ilalim ng Duterte administration. Ayon sa kanya, malaking bahagi ng pagkakautang ay dahil sa pandemic response at iba pang malalaking proyekto.